around that whole block.
That's right, sir. You're unlawfully using your horn.
Anything wrong? This is harassment.
It's not harassment.
Yes, it is. You follow me.
Okay.
It's not a crime.
It's an unlawful use of your
That's
horn.
not a crime. Because now I moved my trash can. Exactly.
She's a witness. She said he pulled the
because I'm asking for him.
That's crazy.
Picture this. You're the backbone of America, a blue-collar worker on the way home from a grueling 12-hour shift. You get stuck at a red light behind a cop who's distracted. So you give him a little honk just to let him know that the light is green. Just a little tap. And that one honk sets everything in motion. Suddenly, that officer's ego is bruised and he follows you home around your entire neighborhood. A simple drive home from work turns into an arrest just because you honked your horn. Let's dive into what led up to this.
I'm an African American in America. This is not the first time I've seen it on TV. It's not the first time I've been pulled over for no reason. This is what happens in America.
Man, what's up, family? I appreciate you for tapping into another edition of Just or Just Wrong. I'm bringing this video to you today for one reason, and that's to shine light on police officers with unchecked power who feel they're superior to the average citizen. And if you want to help get this message out, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit a like for the algorithm, and turn your notification bell so you don't miss future videos.
All right, come on over here. Come on over here.
447 Madison, Lincoln, Charles, 80, 66 in New York.
New York.
Follow me around that whole block.
That's right, sir. You're unlawfully using your horn.
Anything wrong? You are harassing me at this point.
Do you know what harassment is?
This is harassment.
It's not harassment.
Yes, it is. You follow me.
Okay.
Okay.
If you're not going to be compliant, you're going to be detained.
Detained for what reason?
Because you're not being compliant. Come over here. I'm not going to tell you again. He's not coming out here.
Call your commanding officer me, please.
Come over here.
This is harassment, bro.
Come over here.
No, I just came home from work.
You're on a lawful traffic stop.
Unlawful traffic stop.
You're on a lawful traffic stop. Okay? Also, you're parked more than 12 inches from the curb. Okay. Come over here. All right, that's fine.
Before we jump straight into this, now he says he's going to tow the car from in front of his house because it's parked more than 12 inches from the curb. He wouldn't even give the man grace to put his trash cans up. So the officer did say that it was an unlawful use of a horn. So I took it upon myself to do just a bit of research to see exactly what was the law on using a horn. Now, New York law states each motor vehicle operated or driven upon public highways of the state shall be provided with adequate brakes and steering mechanism in good working order and sufficient to control such vehicle at all times. When the same is in use and suitable and adequate horn. Words mean something here. It said reasonable warning. And from my understanding is that he used the horn to warn the cop that the light turned green since the cop was distracted.
Give him a little toot just to let him know that the light was green. He gave me this look out the side of his side mirror. I knew right then that there was a situation that was about to happen.
A situation that began seemingly as an innocuous incident turned into a violent encounter with police and is now a federal lawsuit.
In my mind, it has always been not what.
So what we've seen from this point is basically Officer Camacho on a full-blown power trip. He got his feelings hurt because someone honked his horn at him while he was distracted at a red light. And now he's about to call in his buddies to turn this into a full show of force. Let's watch about 2 minutes of raw body cam footage to see how this truly unfolded. Make sure you guys hit a like for the algorithm, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell.
I did nothing.
So he's on lawful traffic stop, and he's going to talk himself into handcuffs because he doesn't want to identify himself, and he's going to be difficult.
I kept going.
If you want to talk some sense into him, that'd be great.
This dude followed me around the whole block. He followed me. He's harassing me right now. Yep. And now he's trying to say,
am I not allowed to follow people?
Because now I moved my trash can. Exactly.
I'm not mad at all.
And he said, oh, the light was red. I said, no, it was green. I'm sitting there.
I'm going to go because I got a bridal shower.
Yeah. And you're parked in the middle of the street.
Thank you. I'm glad I had a witness to that.
They incorrect.
Exactly. Thank you.
Okay. It's got nothing to do with that.
Exactly. Yes, it has everything to do with it.
I don't care that you beat.
Can I get your commanding officer, please?
I don't care that you beat.
Can you call your commanding officer, please? Thank you. Can you please, what's your name, sir? Deputy Warren.
Hey, what's up, Warren?
Can you please call your commanding officer, Deputy Warren?
He's with the county.
She's a witness. She said he pulled the
because I'm asking for him.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it's a lawful use of a horn.
Just move my trash can
Okay.
so I can park.
Come here, you're
Please
being
do not.
detained.
Please do not touch
Come here, you're
me.
being detained.
No, I'm not. I did not commit a crime.
Watch out.
I did not
Watch
commit
out.
a crime.
Come here.
I did not. Do not touch
Come
me,
here.
sir. I did not commit a crime.
Okay.
I know, cause he keeps. He's been following
Stop.
me around the whole block.
Stop
I did
now.
not commit a crime, sir.
Stop.
Do not touch me. This is unlawful. What are you doing that? Put your hands behind your back. What are you doing that for? What are you doing that for? My hands are doing. I can't even do it. Put your hands behind your back. On me. I can't put my hands behind my back if you're on
Roll
my
on your
left hand.
stomach.
I can't.
Roll on
I
your
can't.
stomach. Roll.
I can't eat on my arm. I can't. Yo, bro, what are y'all doing this for? Again, this is unlawful. This is. I'm not arresting. This is unlawful, bro. Can I get your commanding officer? Nope. Can I get?
Stop.
What do you mean you're on my pelvis?
You're good.
You're on my pelvis.
Stop resisting.
You're on my pelvis. I'm not resisting. You're on my pelvis.
Stop moving.
Because you're on my pelvis.
Stop moving.
Bro, you're on my pelvis.
Stop moving.
I'm not. Yo, you're gonna break my arm.
You can clearly see that this man on top of him is putting the weight of the world in the small of this man's back with the point of his knee. And they're still sending him command after command after command while constantly putting pressure in this man's back. It is insane. I don't understand how they expect this man to comply with simple commands when they, one, got his arm pinned under his chest. Two, you got this other guy, 200 plus pounds with a knee in the small of his back, putting the weight of the world in the center of this man's back, telling him to roll over. And it's not right. It's not right. And all of this, we got here because he honked his horn. Now, all the officers around that's assisting don't know what happened. They went around and everybody just followed in action. Nobody pulled no one aside to try to mediate it. Hey man, what's going on? Oh, he honked his horn. Maybe we blowing this out of proportion. Unlawful use of a horn. How many times does it blow it? Nobody's asking any questions. Everybody just falls in line. They just fall in line. No matter who's hurt, no matter who's affected, we just fall in line. And that's not right. Let's keep it going.
On my pelvis. Can you please get off my pelvis?
Stop
Bro,
moving.
can you please get off I'm not resisting. Get off my pelvis. That's all I'm asking you. Damn. Fuck, why y'all on my pelvis, bro?
So we don't want to take.
God damn.
For honking the horn?
Yo, come on, bro. You're doing too much. Stop what?
I told you.
You told me what?
Okay.
Bro, don't put my hat on.
You don't.
Told me what? You did this because you was yo, bro.
Stop.
I'm not, bro. Can you call your commanding officer? Please. Yes. Babe, you recording this? Do you see him shaking his head? Get their names.
I'm gonna get their name.
All of that. Y'all doing this for no reason. Bro, what are y'all doing this for?
Man, looking at this is tough. You got a guy who's being completely harassed for honking his horn at another member of the community because they didn't see the light turn green. And just because that this member of the community wears a uniform, he has the right to completely humiliate this man in front of his home. He was able to even call some friends to come help him throw this man on the ground, crush him, have a 200 plus pound man who wasn't even around when the incident happened to come, no questions asked, and put the weight of the world in the small of his back while yelling commands of give me your arm while his arm is pinned under him, right? Turn over while he's being pinned down. And it's unfair and it's uncalled for, man. This is the backbone of society. This is a blue collar worker coming off of a 12-hour shift, being harassed by the people that he pays through the taxes that he pays this city. Let that sink in.
And is now a federal lawsuit.
In my mind, the question has always been not what, but why. You know, we know what happened. We don't know why.
Happening, I asked all the cops that was on the scene, what was the issue, what was the crime, what did I do wrong. They all didn't have an answer for me. Instead, they just decided to throw me against the wall, give me the injuries that I'm sustaining right now, and I just didn't know why.
New York, this is gonna cost you. It's gonna cost you, taxpayers. It is what it is. Y'all gonna have to pay this man. Y'all gonna have to pay this man. Just like the last one, y'all gonna have to pay this one too. I don't understand why people feel that they have the right to exert power because of their job, but it's not right. Without the uniform, we are all human beings and we should treat each other respectfully, regardless of our status in society. As soon as I get an update from this video, I will drop it the same day. I promise you, we're gonna move fast and swift on any information that we find on this one. So make sure to catch that. You subscribe to the channel, hit a like for the algorithm, and make sure you hit that notification bell.